Good evening, guys. Today's topic is atomic structure. According to modern theory, matter is electrical in nature. All materials are composed of very small particles called atoms. An atom consists of a central nucleus of positive charge around which small negatively charged particles called electrons revolve in different paths or orbits. Nucleus. It is the central part of an atom. It contains proton and neutron. Atomic weight is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Extra nucleus. It is the outer part of an atom. It contains electron only. Atomic number is equal to number of protons plus number of electron. Atomic structure of carbon is shown here. You can see electron, proton, neutron and nucleus is depicted. Arrangement of electrons in orbit follows some rule. These are: number of electrons in an orbit is given by 2n square, where n is the number of orbit. The first orbit as shown have 2 electrons, then second have 8, third have 18 and so on. The last orbit can't have more than 8 electrons. The last but one orbit can't have more than 18 electrons. So this was all about atomic structure. Have a nice day. Thank you.